There's something irresistible about the sight of slow cooked ribs, tender, juicy, with that perfect fall off the bone bite. Today, we're diving into a flavorsome journey to make the ultimate slow cooked ribs. First of all, we are going to start off by cutting our ribs into two halves. Season your ribs with a blend of spices, brown sugar, cracked black pepper, garlic granules. Add just a taste of Chinese five spice powder for that taste of the Orient. Give your blend of seasoning a quick mix. Now, rub it in to create a crust that will lock in all those flavors. Pat your seasoning into the ribs. This will ensure you won't lose any of that wholesome flavor. Flip your ribs and repeat the process, ensuring that you fully cover your ribs with this awesome blend of seasoning. Now for the next step, we're going to place these ribs into a slow cooker, also known as a crock pot. We're going to cook these for 8 hours on low heat. For the final stage, we're going to cover your ribs with a homemade flavorsome barbecue sauce. All measurements and ingredients will be in the description box. Brush the barbecue sauce over your ribs. Then lift the other half of your ribs. Place them on top of the first half of ribs and repeat the process. After 8 hours of cooking on slow, your home is going to smell amazing. Now let's have a look, and there you have it. Fall off the bone ribs that are smooth, tender, and loaded with flavor. Perfect for sharing, or why not keep them for yourself? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Shout out to Colette and Charlene, my only 2 YouTube members. Thank you.